Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the coding board. This is series of internet and this is part 7. So let's begin the session. Today we are going to learn data delivery through internet. How information transfers from one computer to another is pretty interesting. It need not to follow fixed path. Your path may change as per requirement. Information on the internet goes from one computer to another in what we call packet. What is packet? You will learn. Just pay attention. Suppose user want to send some image, then this image will get divided into hundreds or even thousands of separate parts called packets. So here now we have clarity about packet. If I want to send some image through internet, then that will be divided into hundreds or even thousands of separate parts called packets. Each packet has internet address. Each packet has internet address of where it came from and where it is going. Now, special internets on internet called router machine. Special internets on internet called router machines acts like traffic managers. Special internet on internet called router machine acts like traffic managers to keep each packet moving through the internet network smoothly. Please pay attention here. This is very important part. First we have learned what is packet. Okay, what is packet? Packet is something, if I want to send some image, then it will be divided into hundreds or even thousands of separate parts called packets. Now we need to understand how this each packet has traveled from source to destination. Each packet will travel from source to destination with the help of internet address. It will have address where it came from and where it is going. Correct. A letter without information of destination cannot reach that particular destination. Similarly, packet has information. Packet has internet address where it came from and where it is going. Now, special internet. Please pay attention here. This is very important point. Special internets on internet are called router machine. Now this is very important point. What is router machine? A router machine acts like traffic managers to keep each packet moving through the internet network smoothly. We have learned 2 to 3 new words: packet and router, traffic manager. Okay, so please have some clarity about these words. Packet is nothing but a part of particular image. A image is divided into hundreds or thousands of separate parts. That part is nothing but packet. And on internet we will have some special internet. On internet we have special internet. That special internet is nothing but router machine. What is work of router machine? Router machine will act as a traffic manager to keep each packet moving through the internet network smoothly. Okay, now let's move on. Suppose if one route is congested. Suppose if one route is congested, individual packet can move from different routes through the internet network. It is very simple point, easy to understand, so there is nothing to explain. Now let's move on. Because these pieces, parts of information travel through different paths, hence might get to the destination at different time or even out of order. Okay, this is also very simple point. The pieces of information, nothing but packets, are moving through different paths. That's the reason they may reach destination at different time and in different order. Now we need to understand how data deliver through internet. We have learned packet, we have learned router machine, we have learned that data will be divided into different pieces of information and will reach destination through different path in network. But how data deliver through internet? As part of the internet protocol, every router machine keeps track of multiple paths. What router machine will do? Router machine will keep track of multiple paths for sending packets, and it choose the cheapest available path for each pieces of data based on destination IP address for the packet. Often the best route for data to travel isn't necessarily the most direct. Key principle of the internet is reliability. Key principle of the internet is reliability. What does it mean? It simply says that if you have sent some email or you have sent some image uh, through Facebook, or uh, you have shared some file through email, then definitely it will reach its destination if the given email ID is correct. That means key principle of the internet is reliability. What is TCP? TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. TCP manages sending as well as receiving of all your data as packets. What is TCP? TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. TCP manages sending as well as receiving of all your data as packets. What is router machine? Router machine acts as a traffic manager. TCP will manage sending as well as receiving of all your data as packets. When packet arrive at destination, TCP does a full inventory and sends back an acknowledgement of each packet received. If all packets are there, then TCP signs for your delivery and you are done. If TCP finds some packets are missing, then it won't sign and acknowledge the same to sender that all packets are not received. In this case, sender has to resend the packets which are not received at destination. Once TCP verifies that missing packets are delivered successfully, then signs and send acknowledgement regarding the same. Now, TCP and router machine. Router plus TCP system is scalable. The more routers we add, the more reliable the internet becomes. Computing devices or routers along the internet. Computing devices or routers along the internet helps all the packets make their way to the destination, and where they are reassembled if necessary in order. This whole process happens each time when devices on the internet talk to each other. Okay, so we have learned what is router, what is TCP, how data travels from source to destination through internet, what is packet. Okay, so that's it in this session. Let's meet in another session. Thank you.